In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Otter.ai with Google Meet in 2025. Whether you're looking to record and transcribe your meetings or just streamline your workflow, integrating Otter.ai with Google Meet can be a game changer. So let's dive into the steps to get you set up. To begin, head over to Google Meet. You can either open a new browser tab and type in the URL or select it from your bookmarks if you have it saved. If you're not familiar, Google Meet is a fantastic user-friendly video conferencing tool that works seamlessly with other Google services. Once you're on the Google Meet landing page, look towards the top right corner of the screen. Here you'll find what's commonly known as the waffle icon, a small grid square made up of multiple dots. This icon is the gateway to all the applications in the Google Suite. Next, click on this waffle icon and from the drop-down menu, proceed to the Chrome Web Store. The Chrome Web Store is your one-stop shop for installing extensions and applications that enhance your browser's functionality. Since we're looking to integrate Otter.ai with our Google Meet, this is where you need to be. Inside the Chrome Web Store, go over to the search bar and type in Otter.ai. By performing this search, you're one step closer to adding a powerful tool that can record and transcribe your meetings automatically, and quite accurately, I might add. When the search results appear, look for the option that says Otter.ai, record and transcribe meetings. This is the extension we want as it's specifically designed to work with video conferencing platforms like Google Meet. Click on this extension to view more details. You'll find useful information such as user reviews, ratings, and additional features. Take a moment to glance through these to get a better understanding of what this extension offers. If you're satisfied with what you see and you're ready to proceed, click on the Add to Chrome button. Once you do this, the extension will begin downloading and will be added to your browser. That's all there is to it. With Otter.ai now linked to your Google Meet sessions, you'll be able to record and transcribe your meetings with ease. This setup not only helps in capturing precise meeting notes, but also aids in retaining information effortlessly. Whether it's for team meetings, interviews, or lectures, this tool will surely enhance your productivity. I hope this guide has helped you in setting up Otter.ai with Google Meet. Don't forget to explore Otter.ai's other features such as sharing transcriptions and collaborating with team members in real time. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below this video. Thank you for watching and happy transcribing.